Okay, guys, I am getting ready for my morning. Before I start off with some gig work out here in Charlotte, today I'm doing a notary, and that was really funny because they sent it a message late, and I'm thinking it's some type of spam, but it actually wasn't. The deal didn't close, so they needed a notary, and they sent a message in this because I'm in this area, and I'm like, oh yeah, I'll do it. That's one thing. And then I'm going to do some other gig work today. Let's keep busy. You know, it takes a little time to do this, but I'm telling you guys, it's worth it. And always, even if you don't want to put your pepper in, or I got an old jalapeno pepper I'm going to crush up in there. This turmeric always helps with that inflammation. I've been using this for decades. Okay, you can always just put it on your food too anytime. It's really good. But this, if you just want straight juice, you want it on the sweeter side, that's fine. But then you could also what I usually do is I'll put a little bit of pepper in here, and that activates it. I didn't know that. My cousin told me that. She was like, to do your shots, or why didn't you activate it? I'm like, activate? I'm like, okay. And that does make a difference. But usually I'll do both sometimes. And then right here, I'll fill this up with juice. If you don't want straight, this is really for the shots because it's so concentrated. But I usually put a little bit of coconut water in here, and then I'll fill this up. This will be for my day, instead of me stopping to get, well, I haven't drank pop in, I can't even remember, probably 15, 20 years, but any other type of sweet drink. And then you could also use recycle. What I usually use, instead of going out to buy, these are excellent. Look how sturdy these are. I use these to fill up for my drinks also. But this right here, and of course we're using the Breville, and you can always go on my Amazon store if you want to. Lots of times I have this on sale. The manufacturer, not me, will have this on sale. I get a little couple pennies, but it doesn't affect you. Actually, it's great. And then most of the time you can get this shipping pretty much free. So yes, we're gonna do, so right in here we have the beets, we have the carrots, and then a chunk of ginger. It's early, guys. It's early. We got our cucumber and our kiwi. But yes, so right now I have in here just beets, fresh beet. They have a lot of local farms out here. And it's amazing too. In their stores, like you go into a regular bodega, regular corner store. Most of the stores out here, they have a big table full of fruits and vegetables. It's amazing. So yes, let's get it going. They have a low and a high. I always do high. Oh, this too. Hello. And a little pineapple. It's to activate it. Or you could just drink it without activating it. Okay, I'm back. Now, I usually add some vitamin C. Oh, you can never have enough. I put one orange in there, but I only had like 3 oranges left. I need to go to the store. But I'm going to substitute with some vitamin C. So what I'll do is I'll just take a vitamin C pill and I'll just crush it like this. Take a little and just pop a little bit in here. And each one, you could never have enough vitamin C, right? Then not always, I'm not about to say that, but today, since this is mostly beets, carrots are sweet. I don't have, I have the green apples. The green apples, they are not sweet. Cucumbers. So what I will do is I'll add some honey in here because honey is good for you for the inflammation. And it adds a little more sweetness to it. I don't see nothing wrong with a little honey. I don't see nothing wrong. Yeah. And then I will add, of course, some turmeric. You know, a lot of times you might see when your feet get to swelling, don't just go to the Motrin. Start using turmeric. Put it on everything. You will not. I can't even. I've never even bought Motrin. What I did, I'm not about to say that. Probably when I was in my early 20s, and it made my stomach hurt. So of course I went back to asking grandma and auntie, and of course they gave me what to do, and it was on from the races from there. So now I have that. I'm going to put a little bit of pepper in here to get it activated. And these will be my shots. Now, if you know me, you know I don't measure nothing. I cook for almost 200 kids, about 100 some kids a day, and I never measure. But it tastes oh so good. If you know, you know. So now we got our vitamin C, turmeric, and we have a little bit of honey. And we are on our way. Now, I'm just going to keep these shots for right now. And instead of, I was getting ready to do the watermelon, but I'm getting ready. I got to get out of here. I have to get to work. I'm going to fill this up with some water, and then I'll cut up a cucumber in there, and it's so refreshing. Just try it. Some water, cucumber. Ooh la la. All right, guys. See you on. If you have any questions, any suggestions, anything, holler at your girl. Slap it like you slapping that, whatever you guys slap. Until next time, out.